Welcome back. Now, the Enforcement Directorate has issued a show-cause notice to the BCCI and the former IPL boss Lalit Modi for remitting 90 crore rupees in foreign exchange to foreign consultant IMG of the UK without RBI permission and in contravention of the Foreign Exchange Management Act of FEMA. Now, IMG had managed the IPL event and had been raided when the IPL scam broke out. Well, staying with sports now, first a look at the winners of this year's Arjuna awardees. Now, so Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for Gagan Narang, who won 4 goals in last year's Commonwealth Games. Now, getting the Arjuna Award this time, Zahir Khan gets the honour for cricket, Sunil Chhetri for football and Somdev Dev Barman for tennis. Meanwhile, Rajpal Singh will be awarded for hockey, Suranjoy Singh for boxing and Jwala Gatta for badminton. Now, 2010 Asiad gold medalist Preeja Sridharan, bronze medalist gymnast Ashish Kumar and archer Rahul Banerjee are among the 19 sportspersons who will receive the Arjuna Awards on the 29th of August. Now, the India-England test is a milestone test, and for what better test for the milestone man Sachin Tendulkar to notch his 100th international ton. Now, the good luck messages have been pouring in from Sachin's fans, and the latest to wish the little master are Amitabh and Abhishek Bachchan.
We're all hoping and praying for Sachin, and I think the entire world is now. I think the English are praying for Sachin also, and if they're not, they should be, because he's the greatest sportsman in the world, and we hope and wish that he does achieve this, although like he always says, I want to do it for the country and for the team, so winning for the team is more important. But whatever he does, he's just the best we have, and we should be thankful that he's playing for us still.
And well, after some much anticipated films hitting the big screen, movie buffs thronged the theatres for the first day first show. Here are the first reactions coming in.
Muni Part 2, Kanchana. Kanchana.
I just finished watching the movie Kanchana. See, according to everybody, it might be a thriller or a film with devils and etc. But frankly speaking, yeah, it is scary sometimes, but it's got a lot of humor. So I think it is overall it's an entertaining film. So everybody can watch it. It is not that only it is for this kind of a crowd or any kind of only for children or elders. It's like everybody can watch it because there's a lot of humor also into it. So it's an entertaining movie on the overall. I think it's a good shot.
Move your body, come on.
நல்லா இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறேன் பாஸ். இங்க நம்மள தவிர வேற யாரோ இருக்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு ஃபீல் ஆகுது பாஸ். எனக்கு ரொம்ப பயமா இருக்குடா. செத்துருவ போல இருக்குடா. 4 பேர். ஐயோ!
Kanchana rocks. Please to watch, and this is for the society who don't respect about the transgenders. So kindly to see the movie and enjoy it.
இத வாரப்பா ரொம்ப காஸ்ட்லியா இருக்கணும். 500 ரூபாயா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்லை.
Well, time now to take a look at what's making news on the World Wide Web. Now, much to the disappointment of cricket fans in India, the speedster Zahir Khan is out of at least the first innings. That's the news that we're getting right now from the Lord's Test. And here's the reaction coming in from the internet. Shreyas, one of the fans, says that the Indian team minus Zahir Khan is as good as RGV without his claim to fame movie, Satya. Coming back now, Don Bosco Matriculation Higher Secondary School held its Parents' Day today. Now, apart the regular cultural activities, which is usually the norm during such events, the school decided to go a step ahead and drive home a point to its students that parents are the gift of God. Now, they advised that students must respect their parents all through their life and take care of them even during their old age. Our executive editor Sanjay Pinto was the chief guest for the event, who distributed prizes for students winning in various competitions. Well, that's all we have time for. We'll be back with more news and updates at the top of next hour. Keep watching.